Hey guys, what's up? I am on the road. As a lot of you guys know, I drive tour buses, and I'm actually, as I'm filming this, in Lynchburg, Virginia. I have two schools out of Hampton, Virginia, up here. Going to be competing at Liberty University in track and field, and very nice hotel. Not too far off from Liberty University. But I want to make this short video because we cover a lot of watches on this channel. It's Ace Dive, my daily driver. Of course, this other Ace Dive watch here. I've got my Deutschmeister and a couple other watches with me. But I recently picked up something that I think is going to be of interest to anyone who's halfway serious about watches. Now, if you guys remember back to my Aragon video, I took that metal bracelet watch to a watchsmith locally in Virginia Beach. Nice guy, little small shop, actually right close to my gym. Actually, I go to Anytime Fitness off of Holland Road in Virginia Beach, and the guy did a great job. He sized me up and all that kind of stuff, sized the bracelet up. And then, of course, I got this watch from Ace Dive, which came with a metal bracelet, and it came, the bracelet came with, I took it off, or I did the, I think it was the strap-on video about this band that I put on it, and another band I had on before as well, trying those two bands out. As you can see, this one's the one I like, of course, better. Because I just don't like metal bands. The Ace Dive one was fine, but doing all that kind of stuff, you know, changing batteries, and you know, if you need a spring bar or you need a push pin, I know I've said those terms interchangeably, but technically the spring bar is where it holds the strap to the watch, and the push pins for metal bracelets are basically for the links. I don't know why I keep saying it interchangeably, but I'm retarded sometimes. So I have this. I got it off of Amazon. I have not opened it up yet. I want to open it up with you and take a look inside and see what's in here. What this is a watch like a toolkit for your watches. So that if you have a problem with your watch, you know, you might be able to do it yourself. So let's take a look at this and check it out and go from there. Please hit the like button, please share, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to Atlantic Ocean Watch here on YouTube. I'm also Atlantic Ocean Watch on Instagram, and Atlantic Ocean Watch on TikTok, where I do watches and other stuff too. So let's take a look at this and see what's inside of here. It's got a little carrying handle here. I don't know how many of you guys are actually going to use that part of it, but it's there. I guess you could attach like a carabiner to this and sling it off of something if you want to have it on the outside, but this is something I'd probably put inside of my 511 Rush 12 or 511 Rush 24 backpack, or into, you know, luggage, something like that. So it's got a zipper, just one zipper, and we're going to open this up and see what's inside. So I like this because I like watches, but I don't know everything about watches. I don't. But I like this. It's telling you what things are. Got tweezers. Okay. It is used to clamp small objects inside the watch, such as pins, punches, small screws, watch hands, etc. Okay, you've got the metal watch band link pin remover. We're just talking about that. Okay, so this is great. It's telling you what these tools are used for. You got pin, punches, case knife, spring bar, pin with scale. You know, it's showing you how to remove your pins, push pins. That's cool. Got a little hammer for that. That's awesome. It's actually telling you what these tools are, so that if you don't know everything, like I don't know everything, you know, watch case holder, screwdriver, adjustable case opener with watch case opener accessories, you know. So this is the Bobo Berg, by the way, watch repair tool manual. That's awesome. Here's some of the tools here. You've got those there for your spring bars, different size ones, for getting those out in the bag. You've got an abundance of push pins. It looks like, yes, it might be hard to see it, but you got different sizes of push pins in here, so that's awesome. I mean, I already told you what it's in there, but you got your little small hammer for taking your push pins out. I think that's pretty cool. Your other tools were mentioned earlier. So you can change these out, put those in there after you beat these up. A little knife there, tweezers, other tools, screws there. You know, some of you guys wear eyeglasses, right? These are really small jewelers screws, or screwdrivers rather. There's a flathead here, some kind. There's a little push pin tool. It's more like a push pin tool. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. You've got multiple of these. So inside of this little kit, this is awesome. You've pretty much got everything that you need to do like basic stuff to your watch to really start getting into it. And I think that's awesome. And the fact that everything has like its place, like it's very neat, very organized, like everything has its place, you know, so that, you know, it stays put. And I like that. It's not just shoved in there and all over the place and disorganized. I think I might have put that back in the wrong spot. I don't know. I don't know. What's my name? I don't know. Anyway, but I like that. You got a couple extra. Oh no, those came out of it. Oh, okay. Those moved, I guess, while in transport. Now that's making sense to me. Let me get this out of the way here. Come out of there. I'm not going to edit this out of the video. I'm going to just leave it in there. So you guys see me real life struggling, trying to figure this out. Because again, I know a lot about watches, but I do not know everything. There's so much more for me to learn that I do not know. And a little hammer here, you know what I mean? You probably bop somebody upside the head with a little hammer too. Probably hurt too, though. Little self-defense tool there. Probably could. Probably knocks him out with this daggone thing. Hit him good. Poke him in the eye or something, you know what I mean? So don't poke anybody in the eye. Don't do that. Unless it's in self-defense, obviously. But yeah, but one of the most awesome things is the fact that your spring bar push pin tools have extra heads here, replaceable, and you've got, you know, different size spring bars, you know, for changing out your straps. And I think that's pretty cool. That's pretty awesome. Let's see what this is. Again, some kind of tool. It's taped, but different tools in there. Try to see what that says that is. Yeah, that's for your adjustable case opener and watch case opener, which is this thing here. That's what those are. Those are just extra parts for this. So when you wear that sucker out, you know, you can replace parts. It's pretty cool. I dig it. That's awesome. Of course, I'll have to learn myself how to use these tools, and hopefully in the future I'll do some videos where I'm changing out watch batteries, or you know, doing more strap videos, changing out, you know, straps or bracelets and watches. So that's pretty cool that all this is included. And this is the Bobo Bird, and I'm very impressed, because again, this did not cost a lot of money. I'll leave all the information from what it cost me at the time I ordered this. That's really awesome. That is really cool. I like it. And again, this is really great because, again, I know I'm repeating myself, but I know a lot about watches, but I do not know everything. People out there know way more than me, as much as I hate to admit that. And it's great that this is actually telling you what the tools are, and it's actually giving an explanation as to what they're used for. And that is awesome. And of course, like I mentioned before, these screwdrivers, you know, if you have eyeglasses and stuff, that's pretty cool. You can use it for that as well. And also too, you know, I used to be into model trains. I still love trains. I'm just not into the model stuff like I used to be. I used to belong to a club here in Hampton Roads, but that was like maybe, I don't know, 10 years ago now. HO scale. But a lot of those HO scale train stuff, like messing around with those candy couplers, you know, really small jeweler screwdrivers required for that kind of stuff. So it's nice that if you're a model railroader kind of person, or you know, modeler, you know, these jeweler screwdrivers could be used for that if you lose your jewelers screwdrivers. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'm going to give this product 5 clocks because it's a low price. It comes with a very well organized small carrying case that you can put into, you know, backpack or messenger bag, or leave it, you know, in your house somewhere out of the way. Little carrying thing here, you know, and it's got a few extra parts in here, so that as things wear out, you can replace the parts and not have to go buy new ones. And the most impressive thing, as you've probably already seen pop up somewhere, is the price. You get a lot for the money. Now obviously I'll have to see over time, me trying to use this stuff, you know, what the quality appears to be, but just my initial thoughts and all that, what I paid for it, what's in here, 5 clocks, and I recommend you guys go pick one of these up. I'll leave some information in the description if you're interested in this. I am not an Amazon affiliate. I need to learn how to do that. I don't know how to do that. I don't know. I need to start doing that some kind of way, so that, you know, I'm showing you guys this. If I like something, maybe I can, you know, actually earn some scratch, which helps me buy watches, because I'm just a regular guy, has a regular job. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching Atlantic Ocean Watch on YouTube. You guys are great. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm also Atlantic Ocean Watch on Instagram and Atlantic Ocean Watch on TikTok. Take care.